Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Want to get free things on your next cruise? The trick is knowing where to look and who to ask. From free champagne to free onboard credit and even complimentary laundry, there are plenty of ways to get free stuff during your cruise vacation. Today, I'm sharing some of the best ways to get free things on your next cruise. Free champagne at the art auction. One of the easiest freebies on a cruise is free champagne at the art auction. Cruise ships often host art auctions on board, and one of the ways they encourage people to attend is by offering complimentary champagne. You can relax, enjoy a glass of bubbly, and leave whenever you want. There is no obligation to buy. Sometimes, cruise lines will even hand out free prints just for attending the event. Do know that some cruise lines, such as MSC Cruises, don't have art auctions. Free onboard credit from future cruises. Another freebie to take advantage of is onboard credit. If you cruise regularly, this can save you a surprising amount of money. One of the easiest ways to get free onboard credit is by booking your next cruise while you're still on board your current sailing. Most cruise lines have a future cruise desk, and they'll often reward passengers with bonus onboard credit for booking ahead. That onboard credit can usually be used toward drinks, shore excursions, spa treatments, specialty dining, shopping, and gratuities during your future cruise. Free onboard credit as a shareholder. Another easy way to get free onboard credit that many cruisers don't know about is by being a cruise line shareholder. If you own stock, you may qualify for free onboard credit just for being a shareholder. Several major cruise lines, such as Royal Caribbean, Carnival Cruise, and Norwegian Cruise Line, offer shareholder benefits to guests who own at least 100 shares. Depending on the cruise line and sailing length, the free onboard credit can range anywhere from around $50 to $250 per stateroom. If you cruise often, it's definitely worth looking into. Free spa massages and giveaways. Believe it or not, there are actually ways to get free massages on a cruise. Many cruise ship spas will set up free chair massages to encourage people to book spa treatments. Another way to get free spa treatments and cruise products is by entering the spa raffle. The spa will often hold giveaways, especially during the first day of the cruise when they're promoting services. The important thing to remember is that you need to be present when they announce the winners. A lot of people enter and then forget to come back during the drawing, which means your chances of winning may actually be higher than you think. Free tastings on the ship. If you enjoy trying different spirits, there are often free tastings available on board. Cruise gift shops will sometimes host bourbon, whiskey, tequila, or rum tastings where passengers can sample at no cost. Sometimes these events are advertised in the cruise planner, while other times you'll stumble across them while walking through the shopping area. And if you're browsing the gift shop and see liquor displays, it never hurts to politely ask whether samples are available. You'd be surprised how often the answer is yes. Free gifts at cruise game shows. One of the most fun ways to get free stuff on a cruise is by participating in game shows. Cruise directors are always looking for volunteers, and if you're willing to step out of your comfort zone, there are often prizes involved. Sometimes it's champagne, cruise merchandise, souvenirs, or small gifts as a reward for participating. Popular activities like the Newlywed Show, belly flop competitions, karaoke contests, trivia games, or talent shows often include giveaways for participants. You definitely don't need to be the funniest, most talented, or most outgoing person on board. Sometimes just volunteering is enough to walk away with a free prize. Free raffle prizes and gifts at port talks. Now, I know a lot of people skip port shopping talks because they assume they're boring, but if your goal is getting freebies, you may want to reconsider. Cruise ships often host destination shopping talks before arriving in port, and they'll frequently raffle off free items just for attending. Things like hats, tote bags, t-shirts, jewelry, and cruise merchandise are pretty common giveaways. But the real hidden perk is the coupons they hand out. Many shopping talks include vouchers for free charms, pendants, and bracelets that you can claim in port stores. The best part is that you usually don't have to buy anything. You simply walk into the participating store, present the coupon, and collect your free gift. Since many of these stores are part of larger jewelry chains with locations in different cruise ports, some cruisers actually turn it into a fun tradition and collect a different charm at every port stop. Free jewelry raffles. Cruise ship gift shops frequently hold raffles throughout the sailing. You'll often see opportunities to enter drawings for free necklaces, pendants, earrings, watches, and sometimes even bottles of champagne. The secret here is simple: actually be there when the winner is announced. Many passengers sign up for raffles and forget to return for the drawing. If you're present, your odds may be much better than you think. Loyalty parties and free drinks. If you've cruised with a cruise line before, you may be invited to exclusive loyalty events. And if you get the invitation, definitely go. Many cruise lines host complimentary cocktail receptions for returning guests, and these often include free drinks, appetizers, and opportunities to meet ship officers or even the captain. Some cruise lines also use these gatherings to preview upcoming ships, new itineraries, or future cruise announcements. And many loyalty parties have giveaways too, so you have a chance to win free champagne and souvenirs. Even if you're not a gambler, there are free perks at the cruise casino worth checking out. Many cruise ships offer complimentary casino lessons where you can learn games like roulette and blackjack from dealers who are happy to explain the basics. It's a great low-pressure way to learn something new. On some cruise lines, guests who are actively gambling can also receive complimentary drinks. Policies vary depending on the cruise line, so it's always worth checking the rules. But if you already enjoy casino games, this can definitely help save money on beverages. Free laundry. Here's a practical freebie that many cruisers forget about: laundry. Some cruise lines, such as Princess Cruises, have self-service laundromats that are free or extremely inexpensive. Higher-tier loyalty members may also receive complimentary wash and fold laundry services as part of their benefits. Free toiletries. If you forgot toiletries at home, don't panic just yet. Items like toothbrushes, razors, toothpaste, combs, or other basic toiletries may sometimes be available at no cost. Before paying gift shop prices, check with your cabin steward first. They often know exactly what's available and may be able to help. Surprise gifts from travel agents. Sometimes the freebies start before your cruise even begins. If you regularly book with the same travel advisor, you may occasionally receive surprise gifts delivered directly to your cabin. This could be a bottle of wine, champagne, chocolates, or other treats waiting for you when you arrive. This is especially common if you mention you're celebrating something special like a honeymoon, anniversary, birthday, or milestone vacation. It never hurts to let your travel agent know, because you never know what little surprise might be waiting for you on board. Don't forget your loyalty perks. One of the best ways to get cruise freebies is through loyalty benefits. If you're a returning cruiser, don't assume you already know everything included with your status. Cruise lines regularly update their programs, and you may qualify for perks you didn't even realize existed. Depending on your loyalty level, you could receive complimentary drinks, free specialty dining, free laundry service, internet perks, spa discounts, exclusive events, free gifts, priority boarding, free access to the spa thermal suite, loyalty pins, or onboard credits. If you're not sure what you qualify for, stop by the loyalty desk and ask. You might be surprised by what you've been missing. Get your free cruise packing list. Whether you're a first-time cruiser or a seasoned traveler, this one-page checklist makes sure you never forget the essentials. Download my free cruise packing list printable. Link in the description below. Find out the worst months to go on a cruise and the best months to go by destination. Don't make the mistake of cruising in the wrong months. Watch the next video. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.